Training a dog to be friendly with other dogs is a vital part of canine socialization that can lead to a well-adjusted, confident, and happy pet. Socialization helps prevent fear and aggression problems, ensuring your dog can have positive interactions with other dogs. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you train your dog to be more dog-friendly. Start with observation. Before introducing your dog to others, observe their body language around dogs. Do they seem anxious, scared, or aggressive? Understanding their current comfort level is crucial for a successful training plan. Understanding dog socialization. Socialization is the process by which dogs learn to relate positively to other dogs and their environment. It involves exposure to various situations, including meeting different types of dogs in diverse settings. The critical period for socialization is typically up to about 16 weeks of age, but it's never too late to start. Create positive associations. Introduce your dog to the concept of other dogs being nearby in a non-threatening way. You can do this by walking at a distance from other dogs and rewarding your dog with treats and praise for calm behavior. Gradually decrease the distance over time as your dog becomes more comfortable. Build up duration gradually. Start with short interactions and gradually increase the duration as your dog becomes more comfortable. This can prevent them from becoming overwhelmed and helps build positive experiences. Choose the right training environment. Start in a controlled environment where you can manage interactions. Dog parks can be overwhelming for dogs not used to socializing, so consider quieter places like empty fields or private gardens where you have more control. Use a leash during initial introductions. Keeping your dog on a leash during initial meetings can help you control the situation. However, be mindful of the leash tension. A tight leash can communicate your anxiety to your dog. Avoid tight leashes. If using a leash during introductions, keep it loose. A tight leash can create tension and communicate to your dog that there is something to worry about. Regular health checkups. Ensure your dog is healthy. Pain or discomfort can make dogs irritable and less tolerant of other dogs. Regular checkups can help identify and treat any underlying health issues. Reward calm behavior around other dogs. Whenever your dog remains calm around other dogs, reward them. This could be when they are simply in the same space as another dog without interacting, or when they meet a dog without showing signs of stress. Picking the right playmates. Initially choose dogs that are known to be calm and friendly. Avoid overly energetic or aggressive dogs that might scare or provoke your dog. Respect your dog's limits. Just like humans, dogs have their own comfort zones and limits. If your dog seems overwhelmed, give them a break and try again later or on another day. Keep initial interactions short. The first few meetings should be brief and positive. If you notice any signs of stress or aggression, calmly remove your dog from the situation. Watch for body language. Learn to interpret dog body language. Signs of stress include excessive panting, yawning, lip licking, and avoidance behaviors. Relaxed ears, wagging tails, and playful bows are signs of positive interaction. Practice makes perfect. Regular, controlled exposure to other dogs is essential. Consistency will help your dog learn that other dogs are not a threat. Enroll in a training class. Group training classes can be a great way to socialize your dog in a controlled environment. Trainers can provide guidance and help manage interactions. Use positive reinforcement. Reward your dog for calm, friendly behavior around other dogs. Treats, praise, and petting can reinforce the idea that good things happen when they behave well around other dogs. Avoid punishing negative behavior. Instead of punishing fearful or aggressive behavior, try to understand the cause and work on redirecting your dog's attention. Socialization walks. Walking with another dog owner can be an effective way to socialize dogs. This parallel activity can help dogs get used to each other's presence without direct interaction. Understand your dog's limits. Some dogs are naturally more sociable than others. Respect your dog's comfort level and don't force interactions. Be patient and positive. Training a dog to be friendly with others can take time. Stay patient and keep the training sessions positive and stress-free. Health and safety first. Ensure your dog is healthy and up to date on vaccinations before interacting with other dogs. Also, during interactions, keep an eye out for safety and intervene if play becomes too rough. Seek professional help if needed. If your dog shows signs of severe anxiety or aggression, consult a professional dog trainer or behaviorist for personalized advice and training.
Encourage play behavior. Teach your dog appropriate play behaviors.
This can include fetching games or other interactive activities that dogs can do together. Gradual exposure to different dogs. Expose your dog to various types of dogs, including different breeds, sizes, and temperaments. This helps them learn to adapt to different play styles and behaviors.
Monitor group dynamics. When in a group, be aware of the group dynamics.
Remove your dog from the group if you notice signs of bullying or if your dog becomes overwhelmed. Building confidence. Often, fear underlies aggression or shyness in dogs. Building your dog's confidence through regular training, new experiences, and positive reinforcement can help mitigate fear-based reactions to other dogs. Avoid dog parks at first. Dog parks can be unpredictable environments for a dog that is not yet fully socialized.
Wait until your dog is more comfortable with other dogs in controlled settings before attempting a dog park visit. Be a calm leader. Dogs often feed off their owner's energy. If you're anxious during interactions, your dog may sense this and become anxious too. Remain calm and assertive during dog meetings to help your dog feel secure. Focus on distraction techniques. If your dog starts to show signs of discomfort or aggression, distract them with a command, a toy, or a treat. This helps to shift their focus away from the other dog and onto something positive.
Gradual desensitization. If your dog is particularly fearful or aggressive, gradual desensitization might be necessary. This involves exposing your dog to other dogs from a distance at first, then gradually getting closer over time as your dog becomes more comfortable. Reward spontaneous friendly behavior. If your dog interacts nicely with another dog without prompt, reward this behavior immediately. It's crucial to reinforce spontaneous positive interactions. Consistent rules and boundaries. Establish consistent rules and boundaries during interactions. This consistency helps your dog understand what is expected of them and can reduce anxiety and confusion. Structured play dates. Arrange play dates with other dog owners. Choose dogs that you know are well behaved and that your dog has met before. Structured play dates can be less stressful than meeting unknown dogs. Avoid forcing interaction. Never force your dog to interact with another dog if they are showing signs of fear or aggression. Forced interactions can exacerbate negative feelings towards other dogs. Be aware of body blocking. Use your body to block or separate dogs if you sense tension or discomfort. This can prevent escalation and give your dog a chance to calm down. Do not punish fear. If your dog is afraid, punishing them can confirm that they have something to fear. Instead, calmly remove them from the situation and try again later. Keep a leash handy. Even if your dog is off-leash trained, have a leash handy during meetings with other dogs. This gives you control if the situation becomes tense. Respect other dogs' space. Just as your dog has boundaries, so do other dogs. Teach your dog to respect these boundaries. Not all dogs appreciate another dog getting into their space, particularly if they haven't met before. Vary social experiences. Expose your dog to different social situations, meeting one dog at a time, meeting dogs in a new environment, meeting calm older dogs, etc. Variety and social experiences can build a well-rounded social dog. Practice makes perfect. Keep practicing and exposing your dog to other dogs in controlled settings. Over time, with positive experiences, your dog's comfort level should increase. Remember, each dog is an individual with its own personality and experiences. Some dogs may naturally be more sociable than others. The goal is not to force your dog to be the life of the dog park, but to help them interact with other dogs in a way that is comfortable and safe for everyone involved. With time, patience, and appropriate training techniques, most dogs can learn to enjoy or at least tolerate the presence of other canines, making both your lives more enjoyable and stress-free.